In this video, I'm going to show you how to see blocked contacts in WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and easy. If you navigate to the WhatsApp app and tap on the top right corner, proceed to tap on these three ellipses. Scroll down until you locate settings and tap on it. Then on this interface, you have a list of menus. Proceed to select privacy. So this has landed me on an interface like this. I'll proceed to scroll down until I locate blocked contact. Then I'll tap on it. So this interface will have a collection of all the contacts that are blocked on WhatsApp. In my case, it's currently none. If I want to block anyone, I can also hover around to the top right corner where I see this icon and tap on it. So this will land me on an interface like this where I have the collection of all the contacts that I'm having. And in the case I want to block it, I'll just have to tap on it. Then the contact has automatically been blocked. If later you have a change of mind and you want to block the person, all you have to do is to navigate to this interface, blocked contacts, and tap on the specific contact that you want to unblock and proceed to tap on unblock. That has it. You have successfully blocked and unblocked people on WhatsApp. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.